Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of sorting out all of this makeup and stuff that we got from the advent calendars that I've recently unboxed. Let's just get straight back into it and keep going. Let's do some candles. So these are from Dusk. This one is green tea and jasmine. That's so nice. I'm going to be keeping her. Love that. We have rose tea and mandarin. Also so nice. Keep her as well. This is Earl Grey and cucumber. Oh, that's so nice. That's so like fresh. Such a nice, like, it almost smells a bit masculine, but I really enjoy that one. That's real nice. This is candy cane, and I will keep her as well. Super cute. Love it. Okay, what else do we have? Okay, so this is the Tati Lashes stuff. This is the Bonseal and Remove little Invizilash thing. So I'm going to keep that. I think I'll keep these little individual ones. Like, we'll try these. Yeah, we'll try them for now, maybe. I might decide, like, that I don't want to. But for now, I'll keep those. And then I want to keep some of these individual ones because I really want to try them out. But I don't know what ones I want. So these are called Mon Cherry. We've also got another Mon Cherry. These are Russian Volume Look. These are Mega Volume Look. Then we've also got Wispy Volume and Everyday Wisp. I'm honestly thinking that I'll keep these three. I didn't expect to keep them, but I think I'm going to keep these three. Like, see how they go. If I don't end up getting along with them, then I can pass them on. And I think I'll pass these ones along. These are the Mon Cherry Mega Volumes. I'm really excited though. I think I'm going to do a video testing them out. So if you want to see that, let me know. Because I think that's really cool. I like it. These little things are so cute from She Glam. We have the little book of memories. And we've also got the little key carrier. But I just don't think I'm going to use them, to be honest. So I think I'll pass these along. I do think they're really cute, but I just don't reckon I'll use them. So give them to someone else who will. But I will keep this. This is like the little cards, and like it tells you what happened in, like, with She Glam every year, because I do want to read them. I think that's really sweet. So, and I've got like a little memories like drawer, which I'll probably keep these in there. So I think that's real cute. I'm also going to keep these as well. These are the little lash tweezers that I got from the Tati Lashes advent calendar. So I'll keep those. These are the 3D foaming lashes. Oh, sorry, 3D luxury faux lashes. The Khloe Kardashian collab. They're really hard to get out. In Secret Admirer. I think they're really pretty, so I'm going to keep them. Let's get the rest of the Tati Lashes done, shall we? So, Angel Energy, I'll keep those, they're really nice. TL6, I'll also keep them, I think they're super nice. TL16, I'll pass along these ones, little Brazilian silk ones. And I think I'm going to pass along 25th of December as well. I think these are so cute, like I absolutely love the packaging, but they don't really look like the style of lash that I like, so I'll pass those along. This is the little Diamond Dazzler kit that came in the She Glam advent calendar, and I'll pass this along because I've already got this, so I just need to find a little adhesive. Anyway, I'm sure I'll find it soon, but yeah, I'm really excited. I'm going to do a video trying out the little Lip Dazzler lip kits as well. They sound so cute. It's like, it comes with a lip liner, a little brush, and then an adhesive. So you put your little lip liner on, and then you put glitter over the top, and I feel like, oh, it just sounds so cute. I'm not going to find the adhesive though. Like, oh well, I'll find it soon. Okay, this is the Body Shop Almond Milk Body Butter, which I will pass along. It smells so nice, actually. I really like the smell of that one. We have the Body Shop Almond Milk shower cream. Oh, that's so good. I think I'm gonna have to keep it. I have so many shower gels, but it's so nice. We've got a little mango body shop shower gel, also really nice. I think I might have this as well, so I'm gonna pop that to the side and see if I've already got one. This is the Body Shop Coconut Body Butter. Oh, I love the smell of that so much. I'm 90% sure I've got some of that as well, so I need to check if I've got some of that too. This is the Way Scalp and Body Scrub in Melrose Place. This smells so good. Yeah, and I'm so excited for that. So, be keeping her. Got the little Tati Lashes adhesive, which I'll keep. I'm excited to try something out. I've never tried any other lash glue apart from Duo, so That's exciting. I still cannot find the the lip adhesive. Like, what the heck? I know it's around here somewhere. Well, I'm sure I'll find it. Oh, it's here. Okay, good. I was going to say, I feel like I can't focus until I find it. So that's part of the little Diamond Dazzler lip kit. Let's keep going. Okay, this is the Ultra Heavy Duty Moisture Rescuing Hand Protector. Pass that along because I'm not really a hand cream girl. There's another hand cream. This is the Almond Milk one, which I'll also pass along to another hand cream girl. We've also got a British Rose and a Mango. So pass those along. How pretty do they all look together? I love the packaging, it's so cute. Okay, what is this? This is the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm in Vanilla Beige, which I will be keeping. This is the Augustinus, I don't know, I still don't know how to say name. But the Rich Cream, which I think I'm honestly going to pass it along because I know this stuff is so expensive. So even if I love it, I'm probably never ever going to buy it. So I'll pass it along. This is the Sunday Riley CEO Brightening Serum. I kind of want to try it. I think I'm going to try it. I don't know. I feel like that just sounds really nice. So okay, we have the Elemis Pro Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser, which I would like. I love a good face cleanser, so I'll keep her. This is the L'Occitane Milk Concentrate. It smells so good. So it's like a little moisturizer. Is it for your face or your body? I don't know, but I think I might give it to my mom because she's really loving L'Occitane at the moment. So I might give that to her for Christmas. This is the She Glam. We have another one of the Enigma eyeshadows. This is in Treasure, so I'll keep her. She's so pretty. We have the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Matte Beauty Blush Wand in Pillow Talk Pink Pop, and I think I'll keep that as well. Okay, this is the She Glam Lunar Glow Highlighter. This is in like Galaxy Heart or something like that, which I want to keep because it's so pretty. This is the little Say Glow Sculpt Multi-Use Cream Highlighting Blush in Mauve Glow. This didn't really look like it was a shade for me, unfortunately. Like, it was a little bit dark, a little bit deep, so I'll pass her along. It looks so pretty, but I just know it's not going to suit me. I've got a few more candles. This is Gingerbread Cookies, so good. We have Fruit Market. Oh, love that. Keep both of those. Then we have, this is Evergreen, Fresh Evergreens, which isn't for me, so I'll pass her along. We've got Sweet Shop, and I feel like this one was probably the best smelling one in the calendar. Like, oh, it smells so good. I love that. I need like a big candle of that. We have Flower Market, which is really nice as well, and Black Tea and Apple, which was also really nice. Raspberry Shortcake, love, and then the last one is Coconut Macarons. Love as well. Coconut Macarons is so good. So I'll keep all of those. There's this candle. It's called Witchy Woo. Oh, it smells really nice. I just don't know if I'll burn it. Oh, I don't know. It is really nice. I feel like I might pass it along though, because I don't know if I like it enough to like... I've got that many candles. I feel like I really need to be sold on it. This is the Great Barrier Relief Reparative Skin Smoothing Serum. Honestly, it sounds nice. I think I'm going to keep it. It sounds nice. These little Cult Beauty cuffs. I'm not going to lie, guys. Lately, it's really been like I've always said, like, you know, I'm just not the girl that's going to like waste my time putting these on kind of thing. But I really kind of have been thinking about it lately because, especially taking off my Halloween looks, like they've been annoying me because I've just been getting so much like stuff down my arms. So I'm honestly kind of thinking about keeping them. I think I'm going to do it. Oh my god, I've been influenced. No, it has really been annoying me lately, like when I'm trying to take off my makeup and it's all just dripping down my arms. I'm like, oh, and it's like fake blood and like face paint and stuff like that, so it's just such a pain and it's so messy. So anyway, this is the She Glam Hot Topic Colour Bloom Liquid Blush, and I think that's stunning, so I'm gonna keep it. I don't need it, but it's beautiful. This is the She Glam Sour Gummy Jelly Wow Glitter Lip, and I will be keeping her because I think she's really pretty. Love it. Okay, we're getting down to our last couple of products, guys. Okay, I've got two lip butters here. I've got a strawberry one and a shea one. The strawberry one I'm going to give to my sister for Christmas, and the shea one I'm going to put away. This is the Patrick Ta Major Volume Mascara, which I will be keeping. This is the Patrick Ta Major Dimension Precision Gel Liner. I just don't really get along with gel liners, I don't think. Let's have a look at that. Oh, the packaging's really nice. I think I'm going to pass it along because as much as I've wanted to be and I've tried to be, I'm just not a gel liner gal, you know? This is the... Oh, guys, I don't know what was going on with this because I could not get this to twist up to save my life. Oh my god, it's twisting now. Uh-oh, it won't twist back down. Do you reckon if I put the lid on it, it's going to crush it? I feel like it is. Oops. Let's switch it up. I'm going to have to keep it now. It was quite pretty actually. I'm going to keep it. I mean, I was going to have to keep it anyway because I switched it. Okay, once you like twist it up, you can not twist it back down. Anyway, I can't pronounce this brand, but it's the Spur Stick in Buck. For, I think it's a lip liner, isn't it? Yeah, suede lip liner. Okay. Cute. Lucky it's a nice shade. But yeah, when in my video, like when I unboxed that, I could not get that to like twist up, so I don't know what just happened, but anyway. This is the Colour Wow Money Mist Luxe Light Leave-In Conditioner for glossy, expensive looking hair, which I will be keeping because that sounds so nice. Let's spray it actually and see what it smells like. Oh yum, that smells really, really good. I really like that. I don't know like how to describe the scent, but it's really nice. This is the Body Shop Vitamin E Moisturising Toner. It sounds nice. You know what? I'm going to try it, honestly. I feel like that sounds really nice. So let's give it a go. It says, refreshing toner that effectively removes traces of cleanser, leaving skin feeling moisturised and protected from dryness. So let's give it a go. This is the Ceramona Guava Rescue Spray. And I don't know, this is just really intriguing to me. UV and heat protective detangler, like, that sounds so nice. So I'm going to keep it. It's got such a unique scent, but yeah, I don't know. There's just something about this whole thing just really attracts me. So this is the Medik8 HEO Optimal Ratio Moisturization 2-Step Overnight Mask, which I am going to keep because it sounds very interesting. We have the Amica Soul Food Nourishing Mask, which I think I am going to keep because once again, it sounds intriguing. This is the Paula's Choice 1% Retinol Treatment, which I am going to pass along because retinol scares me a bit. But this is the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment, which I am going to keep. I feel like that sounds really nice. Okay, so I am a strong girl in like, I don't do hand cream, but this is the one from Joe Loves and it just smells so good. Hang on, let me smell it again. I think I am going to keep it. Honestly, surely like you could put it on your body or something, right? I don't know, it just smells so good, so I'll keep it. This is the Laneige Cream Skin Serapeptide Toner and Moisturizer. 2-in-1 hybrid that combines cream with liquid toner to provide rich, intense hydration in an innovative, lightweight texture. Yeah, I'm going to keep that. That sounds really nice. This is the BioEffect EGF Serum, Age Defying Serum. I don't think I need it. It says it's for like aging skin and I just don't feel like I have that yet. So I'm going to pass her along. This is Fable and Mane Alma's Soothing Serum. Massage one full dropper into your scalp. Leave on for at least 5 minutes or overnight for best results. Rinse then cleanse. I wonder what it does though. I'm going to put that to the side for now because I want to search up like what that does. This is the JVN Complete Nourishing Shine Drops. This one said brilliant hair is here. Apply to dried hair. This silky silicone free oil instantly adds incredible gloss without adding weight. That kind of sounds nice. Kind of want to try that as well. Let's try them. Let's keep them. This is the Dr. Levy Intense Stem Cell Eye Booster, which I don't think I need, so I'll pass her along. Have the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Universal Daily Peel, which I'm also going to pass along. This is the Pat McGrath's Perma Precision Liquid Eyeliner, which I will be keeping. It's in Extreme Black Coffee, but I'm 90% sure it's a brown liner, so keep her. This is the little Natasha Denona Love Palette, and I really want to keep it because it's so cute. But I also know, I think I've already got like a big version of this palette, so I know that it's just sucking me in because it's cute, but I know that I don't need it because I think I've already got it, like, got those shades. I don't know. Have Tower 28 Shine On Lip Jelly in XOXO. Oh, that's so cool. I've got to keep that. Like, I don't know. There's just something about that that's looks so cool. So keep her. This is Little Body Shop Swipe Up Moisturising Lip Balm in Strawberry, which I think I'm also going to keep and give to my sister for Christmas. And then this is the Body Shop Lip Rescue Stick in Hemp. And it says it's for repairing ultra dry lips, heavy duty moisture. Which I'm honestly going to keep it because I need a good like I've got a lot of lip balms and like lip conditioners and, you know, stuff like that. But I kind of want one that's like for when my lips are very sore and very dry, you know? Not something to just like taste yummy and look cute. Does that make sense? Anyway, so yeah, I'll keep that. And then the last thing we have is the elasticizer. I can't say it. Elasticizer. I think I'm still saying it wrong. Therapies. Deep conditioning treatment in silicone, lemon and bergamot. I think I'm honestly going to try it. Let's just see what it's like. Deep conditioning treatment. It sounds nice, so... Okay. That is everything, guys. Apart from those things that I put to the side, which, yeah, I'll double check if I've got those or not. So this is everything that'll be going into a giveaway coming up, and I've also got other stuff waiting in my giveaway drawer. So it's really exciting. I feel like I'll have a good giveaway coming up for you guys soon. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Let me know if there's anything in this video that you guys want to see me try out. Let me know what you think about the lash video and stuff like that. But yeah, anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!